Rip it open.
It's Christmas morning. She's opening her present all by herself.
Good girl. That's it, Shay. What you got there?
We have the smartest dog ever.
Let's go. Keep going.
What'd Santa bring you?
Oh, good girl. What is that?
I think we could have just given her a roll of wrapping paper to rip. She loves ripping paper.
What do you got there? Come on. One big pull.
She's like, they're telling me to rip?
What is that? Is that a baseball and a glove? That looks like fun, Shay.
Did Santa do a good job? She's checking it out.
Shay, is that something that you can have fun with? Yeah? Is that something you might like? It's a ball, a rope, and a stuffed toy all together.
I know.
Wow, good job. Good job, Santa. Alright.